Manipur state government has announced conditional lifting of suspension of broadband internet services, which was initially imposed to maintain public safety. Suspension of internet services, broadband services, came into effect from 3 p.m. today until 3 p.m. on September 15, 2024. According to an order issued by Commissioner of Home Affairs N. Ashok Kumar, the government has decided to lift the suspension considering the impact at important offices, institutions, cohort of people on work from home basis, chartered accountant firms, lawyers, health facilities, refueling centers, recharging of electricity mobile, booking for LPG, educational institutions, taxation-related offices, other online-based citizen-centric services, etc. Under the new order, broadband services including internet lease line in short ILL and fiber to the home in short FTTH will resume with stringent condition. Subscribers must use static IPs and are prohibited from using Wi-Fi or hotspots. Additionally, they must ensure media access control MAC, address binding, block social media websites and VPNs at the local level, and remove any existing VPN software from their systems. However, the suspension of mobile internet data services remains in place due to concerns over the potential spread of misinformation and mobilization of protests through various electronic platforms.